Hello students, today we will continue exercise 12 chapter trigonometric ratio of complementary angles from R.S. Agarwal. Today we will start from question number 6. In question number 6, if sine 3a equals to cos a minus 10 degree, given that sine 3a is equal to cos a minus 10 degree, this is given, okay, where 3a is an acute angle, find the value of angle a. Okay, so find the value of angle a. Let's see how we can solve this. Okay, first of all, sine both side we need to, either this side also we need to convert cos into sine, or this sine should be converted into cos, then only we can compare both the sides. Okay, so I am converting sine 3a into cos. Okay, let's see. So sine 3a means this we can write cos of 90 degree minus 3a. Okay, cos 90 minus theta is equal to sine theta, thus we have written. Okay, then this is cos a minus 10 degree. Now by comparing both side, by comparing both side, we get 90 degree minus 3a equals to a minus 10 degree. Okay, 90 degree minus 3a equals to a minus 10 degree. So that if I going to solve this, then it will be minus 3a minus a is equal to minus 10 degree minus 90 degree, or minus 4a is equal to minus 100 degree, or a is equal to minus 100 degree by minus 4, that is 25 degree. So value of a is 25 degree. Okay, value of a is 25 degree. Next, question number 7. Okay, in the question number 7, tan a is equals to cot a plus 10 degree. Okay, tan a is equal to cot a plus 10 degree. Now here given that a plus 10 degree is an acute angle. Similarly, like the previous, we need to convert this tan into cot or cot into tan. Okay, so this is cot of 90 minus a equals to tan a. This is cot of a plus 10 degree. So again, by comparing both sides, 90 degree minus a is equals to a plus 10 degree. Okay, or minus a is equal to 10 degree minus 90 degree, or minus 2a is equal to minus 80 degree, or a is equals to minus 80 degree by minus 2, that is 40 degree. Okay, that is 40 degree. So value of a is 40 degree. Next, question number 8. Cos 2a equals to sin a minus 15 degree. Okay, 2a is the acute angle, find the value of angle a. So this sine of 90 degree minus 2a is equal to sine of a minus 15 degree. Okay, so then by comparing both sides, by comparing both sides, 90 degree minus 2a equals to a minus 15 degree, or minus 2a minus a equals to minus 15 degree minus 90 degree. Okay, so minus 3a is equals to minus, this will be 105 degree. So or a is equal to minus 105 degree by minus 3. So here what we will do, divide, just divide. If you divide this, 3 3 is a 9, 1 15, 35 degree. So value of a, or value of a is 35 degree. Okay, here you need to verify, since after getting the answer in the question it is given that 2a is the acute angle. So 2a means 70 degree. You need to check that very carefully. If it is not acute angle, then there must be something wrong in our math. Okay, then we need to go for calculation re-verification. Okay, so moving to the next question. Next is question number 12. Next is question number 12. 3 cot 31 degree, 3 cot 31 degree, tan 15 degree, cot 27 degree, tan 75 degree, cot 63 degree, and cot 59 degree. Okay, again 3 cot 31 degree, tan 15 degree, cot 27 degree, tan 75 degree, cot 63, cot 59. Okay, here what we need to do, here we need to do a thing that find out the pairs. Okay, find out the pairs first of all. Now obviously in your mind it comes that what kind of pairs. So first of all you see that find out two angles like 31 plus 15 or 15 plus 75. In this way find out two angles whose sum will be 90 degree. They make the pairs. Okay, sum should be 90 degree. Okay, or like here tan 15 and tan 75, 15 plus 75 is 90 degree. Okay, so we can easily convert tan 15 into cot 75, and then this will cancels each other, means not cancel, means divide and turns into 1. Okay, so in this way same you see that cot 27 and 63. Okay, 27 and 63 is 90 degree, and 59 and 31 is 90 degree. So first of all we make the pairs in this way, cot 31 degree into cot 59 degree. Okay, then tan 15 degree, tan 75 degree, then cot 27 degree and cot 63 degree. Okay, so right now then cot 31 plus cot 59 degree, not plus, means this will be cot 31 degree, and this is tan of 90 minus 31 degree, not tan, this is cot of 90 minus 31 degree. Okay, similarly here it will be tan 15 degree, it will be tan of 90 minus 15 degree. Okay, then for this we will write cot 27 degree into cot of 90 degree minus 27 degree. Okay, so here it will be 3 into cot 31 degree into tan 31 degree. Okay, again this is tan 15 degree, this is tan 15 degree, and this is cot 15 degree. Again for this cot 27 degree and tan 27 degree. Okay, into tan 27 degree. Again I am repeating this. See, 3 cot 31 degree, tan 15 degree, cot 27 degree, tan 75 degree, cot 63, cot 59. Okay, so 3 into cot 31 degree, 3 into cot 31 degree, and this is tan 15. We have converted this into the pair, that is cot 31 cot 59, tan 15 tan 75, cot 27 cot 63 degree. Okay, we made these pairs. Now this cot 31 degree we keep it same, and cot 59 we need to convert it into the tan 31. How? Cot 90 minus 31 is equal to tan 31 degree. Again tan 15, then tan 75. Okay, we are converting it into, see, cot 15 degree. How? Tan of 90 minus 15 is equal to cot 15 degree. Then cot 75, cot 90 minus 27, that is 90 minus 3 is equal to tan theta, tan 27. Now tan is reciprocal of cot, so cot 31 by 1 into 1 by cot 31. Tan 15, cot means reciprocal of tan, so 1 by tan 15 degree. Okay, in this way similarly cot 27 into 1 by cot 27, they will divide each other and the quotient will be 1. So 3 into 1 into 1 into 1, that is 3. Okay, understood? So next question is question number 13. Okay, in question number 13, 2 into cos 58 degree by cos 58 degree by sin 32 degree. Okay, minus root 3 into cos 38 degree cosec 52 degree by tan 15 degree tan 60 degree and tan 75 degree. Okay, so then 2 into cos 58 degree sin 32 degree. Now this we can write that cos of 90 degree minus 32 degree by sin 32 degree. Okay, minus root 3 into cos 38 cosec 52, cos 38 cosec 52. For that, here tan 60 value we know, tan 15 and tan 17 we need to convert like the previous math, and this will be converted. So do it one by one. So cos of 90 degree minus 52 degree into cosec 52 degree by tan of 90 degree minus 75 degree, this is tan 60 degree, and this is tan 75 degree. Okay, tan 15 we have converted tan 90 minus 75 degree. Now this will be sin 32 degree by sin 32 degree minus root 3, this is cosec, this is, sorry, not cosec, let it be sin 52 degree into cosec 52 degree by tan of 90 minus 75, this means cot 75 degree, tan 60 means root 3 into tan 75 means 1 by cot of 75 degree. So do write this as it is, that's 1 by sine 52 degree. Cosec is reciprocal of sine, so we need to write this way. Root 3 cot 75 sine 52 sine 52. So total this is also, so this 2 minus 1, so value is 1. Okay, so this is our answer. So move to the next question. 16. Okay, question number 16. Cos 65 degree by sine 25 degree plus cosec 34 degree by sec 56 degree minus 2 cos 43 degree cosec 47 degree by tan 10 degree tan 40 degree tan 50 degree and tan 80 degree. Okay, this we need to solve. So let's see, this we can write cos of 90 degree minus 25 degree. 90 minus 25 is 65. Okay, plus cosec 90 degree minus 56 degree. 90 minus 56 is 34 degree. Okay, so sec 56 degree. Now 2 cos this cos 90 degree minus 47 degree, this is cosec 47 degree by tan 10 degree tan 80 degree. First make the pairs, tan 40 degree and tan 50 degree. Okay, so next is, this is sine 25 degree by sine 25 degree plus sec 56 degree by sec 56 degree minus 2 into sine 47 degree into 1 by sine 47 degree. This is sine 47. Okay, tan 10 tan 80, so tan 10 degree, this will be tan 90 minus 10 degree, and this is tan 40 degree, this is tan of 90 minus 50 degree. Okay, this is 1, this is also 1, minus this is 2 by tan 10 degree, this is cot 10 degree. Okay, this is tan 40 degree, this is cot 50 degree. So we all know that cot theta is the reciprocal of tan theta. That means tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1. So this is 2 minus 2 by 1 into 1. This is 1, this is 1. Okay, so 2 minus 2 equals to 0. This is our answer. Okay, next is question number 21. Okay, cos square 45 degree plus theta minus plus cos square 45 degree minus theta by tan 60 degree plus theta into tan 30 degree minus theta. Okay, So here let's see. Cos square 90 minus 45 degree plus theta. Okay, this we can write or not? Cannot write. Tell me. Yes, we can write this. Okay. So this is minus, okay, then plus cos square 45 degree minus theta. Keep it as it is. Okay. Then this is tan of 60 degree plus theta. Then write this as tan of 90 degree minus 60 degree plus theta. Okay, see 90 minus 60 is 30 and minus theta. So this we can write as sine square 45 degree minus theta plus cos square 45 degree minus theta. Okay, how? This is the 45 degree minus theta. Cos of 90 minus theta is sine theta. That formula we have applied here. Okay, so this is tan of 60 degree plus theta, and this will be cot of 60 degree plus theta. Okay, so we know that cot is the reciprocal of tan. So tan theta into cot theta is equals to 1, and sine square theta plus cos square theta is also 1. So 1 by 1, this is 1. This is our answer. Okay. Thank you, students. Bye bye.